Hello and welcome to another episode of Business Reality Check. Today we are going to explore about the business spice powder. So let's get started. Every Indian kitchen uses spices every single day. Have you ever wondered who manufactures these spice powders? Can you build your own spice brand and earn a profitable income? In today's business reality check, we'll explore the complete spice powder manufacturing business from machinery and investment to marketing profit challenges and whether this business is worth your money. Spices are one of the few products that people buy every month. Whether it's a home kitchen, a restaurant, a hotel, or a catering service, spices are used every day. With the increasing demand for packaged and hygienically processed food products, branded spice powder continue to grow in popularity. This makes the spice business relatively stable compared to many seasonal businesses. If you're starting small, you don't need 20 different products. Begin with the most commonly used spices like turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. Once your brand gains a recognition, you can expand into premium spice blends, regional masalas, and customized seasoning mixes. The quality of your final product depends on the quality of your raw materials. Purchase whole spices from trusted wholesale markets, agricultural markets, or reliable suppliers. Before buying, always inspect freshness, aroma, color, moisture levels, and cleanliness. Buying low quality spices may reduce costs initially, but it can damage your brand reputation. The manufacturing process begins by cleaning the spices to remove dust and impurities. Depending on the product, the spices may need drying to reduce moisture. Next, they are ground into fine powder using a pulverizer machine. The powder is then sieved for uniform texture, weighed accurately, packed in food grade pouches, heat sealed, labeled, and prepared for sale. A basic spice manufacturing unit requires a pulverizer for grinding, a sieving machine for consistency, a digital weighing scale for accurate packing, a sealing machine to protect freshness, and food grade storage containers. As production grows, investing in semi automatic packaging machines can improve efficiency. Your investment mainly includes machinery, initial raw materials, packaging materials, branding, registrations, and working capital. The exact amount depends on your production capacity, whether you buy new or used equipment, and the scale at which you plan to operate. Starting with a smaller setup and reinvesting profits can reduce financial risk. Before selling your spice products, make sure your business complies with the applicable legal requirements. Depending on your business size and location, you may need a food safety registration or license, business registration, and GST registration if required by law. If you plan to build your own brand, registering a trademark can help protect your brand identity. For products sold in supermarkets, barcodes are commonly required. Your product label should clearly display information such as the product name, ingredients, net weight, manufacturing date, expiry date, batch number, and customer care details. Following these requirements not only helps with compliance but also builds customer confidence in your brand. The revenue of a spice powder business depends on how many packets you sell and the price customers are willing to pay. Your expenses include raw materials, processing, packaging, transportation, and marketing. The better you control these costs without compromising quality, the healthier your profit margins can be. Selling directly to customers through your own website or social media can improve margins compared to relying only on wholesalers. Most importantly, repeat customers are the foundation of long-term profitability. When customers trust your quality, they come back again and again, helping your business grow steadily. Like any business, spice manufacturing also has its challenges. You compete with established national and regional brands, so maintaining consistent quality is essential. Raw material prices can fluctuate throughout the year, making cost control important. Following food safety standards and proper hygiene helps build customer confidence. Attractive packaging, good marketing, and positive customer reviews can help your brand stand out. Businesses that consistently deliver quality and earn customer trust are more likely to succeed in the long run. So, is the spice powder business worth starting? If you're committed to maintaining quality, following food safety standards, and building a trusted brand, this business offers excellent long term potential. It serves a daily household need, has strong market demand, and can be scaled from small setup into a recognized brand over time. Like any business, success won't happen overnight, but with consistency, smart planning, and customer trust, the spice powder business can become a rewarding venture. This is Business Reality Check, real business, real numbers, real decisions. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Business Reality Check. Comment below which business you would like us to review next. See you in the next video.